I now ask our Provost Fred Schweitzer, Regent David Gordon, and Linda J. Kelly to come forward.
Mr. President, I have the honor to present Linda J. Kelly for the degree of Doctor of Humane Letters. Linda J. Kelly, with a public service record spanning 4 decades, your leadership has enriched the lives of many in Greater Hartford. As president of the Hartford Foundation for Public Giving from 2005 to 2017, you were the first female and first person of color to lead the organization since its establishment in 1925. During your tenure, the foundation reached an all-time high of nearly $1 billion in assets and setting grant-making records. Your public service also includes serving as commissioner of the Connecticut Department of Public Utility Control, where you led local and national committees and were appointed by the U.S. Secretary of Transportation to chair a federal advisory committee on safety standards. As a volunteer with numerous nonprofit and civic organizations, you addressed issues of education, affordable housing, healthcare, families of incarcerated, and community development.
Linda J. Kelly, for your tireless service to the region, your passionate advocacy for a more inclusive community, and your trailblazing work in philanthropy, the University of Hartford is proud to present you with the degree Doctor of Humane Letters, honoris causa.
Good morning. Now, despite the rain, I say this is a beautiful day. For all of you. President Woodward, Provost Schweitzer, Regent Gordon, and the entire Board of Regents, I am humbled and deeply honored to receive this Doctor of Humane Letters degree from the University of Hartford. I'm especially pleased to share this occasion with my daughter and her husband, who are here today, my son and his wife, who could not be present, my pastor, and my dear friends. The honorary degree is particularly meaningful to me because it reflects the values of my parents, John and Rebecca Kelly. While raising their 5 children in the segregated South of the 50s and 60s, they placed a premium on high-quality education and instilled in us the responsibility and the satisfaction that comes from hard work and civic and community engagement. Their values and goals became mine and have influenced every step of my life. Accordingly, this Doctor of Humane Letters degree is as much a tribute to my parents' efforts as to my own. I extend my warmest congratulations to all of today's candidates for graduate degrees, and will share with you a statement which has inspired me over the years and continues to inspire me, made in 1964 by Martin Luther King upon receipt of the Nobel Peace Prize. He said, "I have the audacity to believe that peoples everywhere can have 3 meals a day for their bodies, education and culture for their minds, and dignity, equality, and freedom for their spirits." I hope that these words can help guide you as you embark on this new phase of your lives. Thank you, University of Hartford Board of Regents, for this tremendous honor.